So guys, let me just try to edit drafts and see how it will look like. But if it doesn't work, I'll just remove it. Just edit drafts, just go straight to that to the square. Just do it something like this. Then after doing something like that, you can just click option, change fill. I'll just change my fill into strong, little bit of a strong green color. So what I'll do, I just click here, I'll just go straight to the green that I used here. Then I'll just push my green a little bit stronger. Then I click OK. Then add on another thing. Okay, it looks pretty great though. Then I'll just go, yeah, let's just add that trust there. I just love it. Okay, let's go to this one. Let's zoom in, let's zoom in, let's zoom in, let's show, make sure, let's hold the person. Let's put a person like that, put him a little bit downwards, just like that. I hope you guys can see. So if you want like your image to be here straight to you, you gotta come here, then you gotta put this on 100, straight on 100. So then it will just take your image and just try to put it straight in your face automatically in the right position, just like that. Then you gotta just click your big brother, this is your big brother person. Click Control X and you click Control V because you want like your grass to go down. Then you can click Control V. Then that is what will be, this is how it will look like. So you can see like you can tell like now he's stamping on the ground. You can tell now he's stamping on the ground. So another thing that we can do, we can complement our grass here. um, we can complement our dress. That's something that I didn't want to do. Okay, let's go to our dress. You see like the moment I added the grass, a lot of things changed it. Now I cannot see like the filler points of which I had. So let me decrease my grass a little bit so that the filler points, I can see those filler points. Then after that I'll just come here, I'll just zoom in this area, I'll just come to this. Then I will just be drawing a little bit of this, just like that. I hope you can see what I'm trying to do. So generally that's what I was trying to do. So after doing that, what I have to do is just to change the color and make the color like look like the grass. My laptop is moving very slow. I don't know why. I'm no longer pressing the mouse, but you can see it's still like working around this thing. So let's just wait for it until it's done loading. Now I'm doing all of this loading. So I'll just go straight to uh, my object here. Just select there. Then I'll just click option. Then I click change fill. Then I'll just click here. Then I'll just click that thing. Then I select the grass. Then I just click OK. Then let me just say I don't even know that thing. I'll write it in my home language. So I don't want even to pronounce that. I don't want to scare you guys. I come from the Khoi village, straight in Africa, in the Northern Cape province. So I don't want to scare you for real with with the clicks. Mm, do you know, guys, what I want to do right now? I just want to get everything correct here. I just want to fix some of the things here. Actually, I can just move this a little bit below. Mm, my laptop is moving very slow right now. I don't know why. Is it doing that? Good. I think I'm okay with that. So then you can go straight here. Then you just put it on 100. Okay. I think that's all for now, guys. I just added a grass. Then I will have to take this those thing, the grass, then I put it on my pattern. Just want to see how it would look like if I did that. How will it look? Not really bad. Still, I'm still in love with it. So I'll see you on the next episode. Next episode, guys, generally deals about a little bit of a music theory. I just said a music theory. I really love Mixpad. Okay, a little bit of animation theory, and you definitely have to watch the next one and do carry your book just to write the notes.